Hey guys, just wanted to quickly show you how to use our e-learning page. So this e-learning page is the page that you should be checking daily for your assignments so that you know what you should be working on while you're at home. So first things first, you want to make sure that you have the right teacher. So up here, you'll see my name. The other teachers are listed here on the side. And so if I am your language arts or social studies teacher, you want to make sure that you are on the correct page. And right below my name, you'll see this title here. It says, How do you feel today? So this title is actually a link, and so is this. Both of these will take you to the same place. If you click on this, it'll actually open up a new tab and it'll open up a How do you feel today page. So this is kind of like a daily check-in or weekly check-in. It's really up to you. So it says you can use this form uh, either every day or once a week to let me know how you're doing. So you would just answer the questions and submit the form when you're done. And then this is a great way for me to keep in touch with you and know how you might be feeling that day or that week. So it is up to you if you want to answer this daily or weekly, but you should be answering it. So either once a day or once a week. If you look directly underneath that, there is a link here to bring you to Google Classroom, but I've also put a tutorial video for you to show you how you can go ahead and access Google Classroom from home, but you also have the option of clicking this link here. And then down here is where you start to see the daily lessons. And so Monday, March 23rd is our first official online learning day. And so that day, you really just need to take the time to make sure that you can access everything, make sure that you can log into all of these accounts here. I have included a um, handy little how-to guide, how to log into Google Classroom from home. In addition to that, I've also put a video and a quick little welcome video as well. And so every day you should come on here and you should check, make sure you're looking at the correct day. You should check to see what your work is for the day. I will list resources here under this column, and then there will be a little checklist here for you guys as well. And so if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. And until then, happy learning. Bye for now, friends.